Zimbabwe is gearing up for the SADC summit, set to light up Harare on August 17th. The government is revamping infrastructure, think new roads, upgraded facilities and a fresh look for the city. It's all about welcoming regional leaders and, more importantly, attracting investors. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Picture smoother traffic, better connectivity and a city ready to impress. But it's not just about physical upgrades. Zimbabwe is also pioneering education and innovation with the Sadc University of Transformation, aiming to boost industrial productivity across the region. This summit isn't just a meeting, it's a signal. Zimbabwe is open for business and ready for growth. Zimbabwe's accountants are optimistic about the upcoming Sadc Industrialization Week and Summit, believing it will position the country as a safe destination for regional capital flows and attract investment opportunities. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.